There. Cheesy potatoes.
Cheesy potatoes.
My tummy spoke cheesy potatoes too.
Look
at mine.
All right. Step 22. Are you ready to put this together?
Let's do it.
We've got a dollhouse to put together. This is the box.
Putting it off because
it's gonna take 6 hours.
The pain of building what? The pain of building things sucks.
Sucks. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, dude. Hey, you doing your art in there? Can't wait to see your new art stuff. Okay. All right, babe. Well,
first injury of the day.
KIDKRAFT Dollhouse. They make about 5 million of them. So.
What does the dollhouse look like?
I don't have the picture, but
we'll see.
There's probably a picture on the inside.
We'll see the end.
How many hours do you think it's gonna take? Probably 3.
I'm guessing
3.
Yeah.
3 hours.
3
we'll see.
minimum.
Oh
dear Lord.
We'll check back in a few minutes, or in a little bit, after we get the parts out.
Wait.
Those are all the doll pieces, the accessories. So you could probably put those. Just take that box out, because that's the doll's accessories. All right. All right. What else we got?
These are the real parts.
All right, what's this? These are probably the pieces that we need to put it together with. 5 hours? Oh, I hope not. Oh, here's the instructions. KIDKRAFT. Hopefully these instructions are actually like real instructions and not like put A to Z.
Because we've been there before.
Upside down. Oh man. Got pieces on pieces. Fun. Let's get these pieces out, Dad. Let's get them out. Alright, this is what we're working with here.
Some of these are brother cameras too.
Got all of that. Pieces. And like, how many pages? We have 21 pages of instructions. Yay!
Sounds like fun.
Yeah,
utter chaos.
It doesn't. We're like a half hour in. Got a couple things being built. We have a crying kid. Crying kid. Justice, that's not funny. Go finish your drawing. We're on step 11.
67. Where you're gonna be for the next hour, that would be awesome.
Yeah, 1 hour and 10 minutes in. Got some couple things built. How you feeling about this so far?
It sucks.
Kids everywhere.
Kids
pieces everywhere.
We've had to flip pieces a few times.
We're on
we were putting them on
17.
17 of what? 48?
Well, there's 22 pages. And there is... I don't know.
The things you do for your children.
There's like 60.
Mama.
17 of 60 something. Watch out, back up. You found some dolls to go in here?
Yeah.
Alright, we have to be patient. Go.
I have a doll here.
Alright, be patient. 2 hours and... What is it? 2 hours and 20 minutes in. We're not done yet. Nope. Take the stuff out. Thank you. Not done yet. Alright, we're on the final stages.
Mama, help me, honey.
Let's see. We're almost done. Just have to move it. We're almost done. You guys. See how long it's been. Guys, 2 hours. Well, actually 3 hours later. We did it. 3 hours
later.
What do you think, Mama? You like it?
Yeah.
You gonna find some dolls to play with?
Do film for us.
Oh, 3 hours, Dad. Go.
Let's
Go.
do film for us.
We can.
But
Pretty cool. Pretty huge.
How this one? No.
Audrey, stand next to us so I can take a picture of you, okay? Scoot back. Smile. Cheese. What's happening here?
Get ready for descent. We're going down. Here we go.
Oh, Dad. All right, Ari.
Cockpit.
Getting safe.
Skies are clear.
How do you get two in there,
Are you
Mom?
gonna do it? You gonna
I
do
don't
it?
know.
Okay, he's gonna do it.
two in there. Oh, there was two in there.
I need the thumbs up that everything's ready to go. From the driver, buddy.
Got it, dude.
Oh.
All right.
Thumbs up.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
And watch out, honey. Watch out. Come up the stairs, please.
You don't want to get run over.
Oh, I'm doing
Being blast off by Chugi. Here we go.
But